Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mikali aka Lulu. Guys, if it's your first time to watch me, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for joining the fam. Yeah, so in today's video guys, we're going to do a hotel review. We're going to Levilla Gardens. Guys, is it Levilla Gardens?
Levilla.
Oh, Levilla. So guys, sorry, you know mimi na L of it too. We are going to Levilla Gardens. Yeah, so you know what, I have my crew here but hawataki kuonekana, but eventually you'll see them. Yeah, so as we do the hotel review, join me, keep it locked guys. So guys, when you come in, you have first to wash your hands, and there's no sanitizer. Nice.
If you feel like this.
Yeah, then from there, this is the entrance, yeah, to the place. Now we are going to have a meal. My friends have changed their mind. They're not going to swim. This is the crew that I came with. Yeah, they've decided they're not going to swim, so we are looking for a spot to sit at. Yeah, so guys, you can see you can actually sit outside and order food from outside. Their seats are spacious, but us guys, we chose this tent. Yeah, we're going to be seated over here and enjoy our meal from here. Yes guys, so see you in a bit as we order our food. I'll show you the menu. Yeah, so guys, this is the side, like, what can I call it? This is the side where there is no the swimming pool. You can see mostly they have tents, and I don't know what those names are, to hammers. Yeah, and that building there's a gym and there's also a salon. So this is an all-purpose place. When you come, you feel sorted. Yeah, here you have to order for your meal. Yeah, we've made an order. I will show you the meal once it arrives, how it looks like. Yeah, but it's going to take quite some time. That's the disadvantage of this place normally. So guys, as we decide to sit on this tent, those are the seats. The other side, the nice seats I showed you, it's kind of, what is it called, sunny. Yeah, my other friends have gone to swim. Sisi ndo tumeamua we are not swimming. Yeah, at the moment we are taking Del Monte as we wait for our meal. Yeah, and it's going to take quite some time. Yeah, the meantime we're going to try to keep ourselves busy. So guys, that's the view, and that's the building where I was saying there's the salon and everything. Yeah, so let's head to the swimming pool to check out at my friends. So guys, I decided I'm not going to swim, but my friends are enjoying. Yeah, me with this quarantine, I decided I'm not going to enter to the water. Abu, show us your styles. Show us the best you can do. Oh, he's the master. Master, show us what you can do. Abu, we see what you can do. Try. There's nothing you can do. Seriously. You guys, you know you're letting me down. Guys, watu hawezi swim. Ni kucheza na maji tu. What's the best thing you can do, guys? You show us.
That's the best.
Yani kurukaruka kwa maji hivyo. Hamjui kuswim. And if you join us, we just start eating. Huh? Edwin, you sure you can swim? Oh. Show us your skills, guys. So guys, yeah, you've seen the swimming pool. You've seen, I was trying to show you the other side. This is the side with the swimming pool. This is the other, there. You can see where there's like a giraffe. Can it be seen really? Oh, not really. My lens is, yeah. But anyway, this building is where there's the salon, there's the salon, gym and everything. Then we're on the other side. We're going to eat from there. Guys, this place is nice for chilling out. I recommend it so far by now. It's a nice place to come chill out. I didn't expect something beautiful like this from Kikuyu. Wow, this is nice. Yeah. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes. So guys, this is our chicken dry fry. Yeah, and we're having it with mokimo. As usual, guys, you know I love mokimo. I'll give you the review of this mokimo of theirs, if it's nice, if it's legit. Okay, their fries are so little, guys. I'm not sure if my friends watashiba. Yes. Yeah, guys are so hungry, they're just digging in. Mimi ndio tu hapa na you can see that's my namesake Carol. And a feature sorry sionekane. Yeah. You don't have ugali?
No, I'm waiting for the roasted corn.
Oh, nice. So guys, you can see my friends are busy digging in. Guy, okay, people have no chills. Ona tu venye wanachota mokimo yangu. Wase msidanganye. Guys, these boys are mannerless, guys. Anyway, guys, this is the legit stuff. We're not faking it. No, na. Kama ni kukula mokimo na mkono, wanakula na mkono. So, guys, allow me to dig in. Yeah. Allow me to dig in. So, my friend has just gotten his ugali. Yeah. So, it's time I dig into my food. Then I'll give you a review for the chicken, how it's going to be tasting. Guys, just look. Venye tumeshambulia hiyo kuku. I doubt if you're going to take supper. We're just going to buy drinks now. And the party begins. Yeah, because as we shoot this, today is on guys, it's on a Saturday, no? Yeah, it looks like a Friday. Yeah, I'm almost done with my mukimo. You've seen how my friends are shady. Wananinyang'anya mukimo tu na mkono anyway. Don't worry, don't mind us. Yeah. So guys, my friends are so crazy. I've liked the food. I've liked the kuku. I've also liked the mokimo. But the fries, nah. Guys, it was not worth it. So let me hear what my friends have to say about this place. Let my friends say how the food was. Carol, how was the food? You liked it? Did you like their chicken? And what else did you like?
The surrounding.
Yeah, guys, but this environment is so nice. It's a nice place to chill out. Yeah. Did you like the place?
Yeah, and the yellow women around.
The yellow women around. I don't even get the joke, guys.
The chick right.
The chick, when you wanapenda yellow, this is the right place.
Oh, this is the right place. They should come hang out. Guys, this place is so nice and the food is so legit. Angalia, hakuna kitu tumebakisha. Just guys, look. The chicken was awesome, was everything. I recommend guys, if you're around Kikuyu, this is a nice place to chill out, to come, then actually come with your kids. We're in the swimming pool. So guys, this is where the grounds are. We just decided to come over here to have some photo session. Yeah, so guys, this is the same place. This place you can actually have like weddings, I think meetings and everything. Oh my god, yeah, it's so green. My friends are ready for photos. We just want to do some photo sessions over here as we wait for our ride. Yeah, so this is a nice chill out place. Yeah, if you have an event or anything, this is so nice. I think there was an event over here, that's why they have some seats. Yeah, guys, I hope the lighting is good. Guys, this garden is awesome. It's a nice reception actually for less people. You can see, yeah. So my friends decided to have some fun. Yeah. Unfortunately, I did not carry my tripod, so I did not carry my tripod, so I can't have like, you guys won't be able to see me. So guys, we are trying to have some photos. They're trying to jump and if we'll get the photos. Yeah, we've enjoyed our meal, so we just need to relax kidogo. Yeah. Guys, how is quarantine taking you? Have you guys started like taking things back to normal, adjusting? Guys, our ride is here. I've not had a group photo. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, we need to have a group photo. Guys, I want us to have a group photo. Our ride is here. Should say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, these are the guys we were having our meal with. Yeah. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And guys, till next time, peace out. Yep.